Now I'm going to take the time to add color to this. What I need to do first is I need to give myself a place to stay inside of, but I've got to think about contour lines. That's something we talked about last year in 4th grade. A contour line, that's just a fancy way of saying an outline. The cape is going to create the outline of the shape of the overall figure that I'm doing. So I don't need to trace along the side of his leg here. I didn't need to trace along the side of his arm. What's going to happen is this will be completely filled in later. So I want to use something. In this case right now I'm using a marker. You guys could use a marker. If you don't have a marker, you could outline it with something dark like a colored pencil or a crayon. Then you could go back in and you could actually fill it in with paint. So because the light would seem like it's coming from behind, I want to see the shape of my person and know what they're doing, but I don't need to actually add details. I don't need to draw on his face and stuff. So at this point, I would fill everything in. You guys have seen some images in the page and also in the assignment where I had you go look at some of the images, some of the videos before going on to this video. So you know I'm going to fill this in all the way. I'm not going to do this separately from the cape. The cape and the arm, this is all becoming one shape. When I fill this in all the way, when it's done later, I will see the image of Superman like he's up in the air flying. This is a chisel tip marker, so I want to make sure that I'm not sitting here trying to fill it in with that thin line. I'm actually using it more like a paintbrush, so I'm using that thick solid side to get everything filled in quicker. Alright, so you guys will keep working on yours, and hopefully at some point I will get to see it all finished. So you know I'm going to fill in his legs. Everything will be done with black. If I want to, I can put some things around him depending on what's happening. So I could put some things around him, but again, those would be filled in all with one color.